Hi dolls, and welcome to my channel. I'm Jamiqua Janielle, your fashion blogger, and I am here to tell you that you have come to the right place because this channel is going to be dedicated to showing you, yes you, how to step outside of your comfort zone and start wearing more patterns and more colors that you thought you would never wear. And also, I hope to inspire you to become the baddie that you deserve to be, the baddie on a budget, like me. A few of my favorite stores that I like to shop at would be Shein, Forever 21, H&M, Amazon, all those stores. And yes, I do shop online because who doesn't shop online? I also have subscription boxes with Nadine West and Stitch Fix. I get those every month. And in this channel, I will not only talk about fashion, I will be showing you how I mix different patterns and how I put together different colors because that's just what I do. That's what I like. I plan on doing fashion hauls. My favorite fashion haul will be a Shein haul just because their clothes are super affordable and I know that's what you guys are interested in. That's what I'm interested in. And I just absolutely love Shein. Like, I'm not even paid or sponsored by them. They just get all my coins because I love shopping. I'm so glad that you have came to this channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, and hit that like button, and also comment down below what are some things that you like to see from this channel because I'll go ahead and give it to you. And yeah, go ahead and check out my blog, jamiquajanielle.com, and I'll link everything down below. Go ahead and follow my Insta, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love ya.